Prem. Prem, correct na? Sure. Just check with all others. The students are getting joining, so that I can start now. Okay, but they okay because they already shared the link. Students all ange join pannirukanga. Okay, we can start. Prem. Yeah, good afternoon to all of you, and welcome to GATE and JAM awareness program. My name is Shivanagendra. I'm a faculty in Department of Civil Engineering. I'm also currently chairman of GATE JAM 2025 examination at IIT Madras. So this presentation is basically to give you an overview of the opportunities and the question pattern that generally you will see in the GATE examination. So now I'll start with why the GATE is important. Overall, you'll be involved in conducting this GATE examination. Who can apply? How many test papers that are there in the GATE examination? Question patterns, and what are the opportunities, and also the resources that are available for you to prepare for GATE examination and important dates. And all of you know that GATE is one of the oldest national level engineering test. Started in the year 1983, and we are now completed more than 4 decades. It's one of the prestigious national level examination that assess the candidates for comprehensive understanding in various undergraduate level subjects in engineering, technology, science, architecture, commerce, arts and humanities. And all of you know that GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. You all aware of it, GATE score being used for admissions to various postgraduate programs across IITs, IIT Bangalore, NITs, centrally funded technical institutions and various state universities for their masters in engineering, technology and PhD admissions. And more importantly, the GATE scores are also being used in many public sector undertaking, what we call it as PSUs for their jobs. And all of you are aware that GATE score is also being used for admission to direct PhD in various institutions. Several international universities also recognizes the GATE score for their admission to various programs. As I mentioned to you, 7 IITs comprising of IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee and IIT Bangalore are coordinating in conducting this GATE examination. This year, IIT Roorkee is the organizing institute for GATE 2025. And this exam being conducted will under the National Coordination Board, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now the next question is, who all can apply for GATE examination? The candidates who are currently studying in 3rd year or higher years, any undergraduate degree programs who have completed any government approved degree programs in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, humanities are eligible to apply for GATE 2025 examination. Now I'll just briefly tell you about what are the papers that are available. The GATE 2025 examination will be conducted for 30 subjects. For example, aerospace engineering, agricultural engineering, architecture and planning, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science and information technology, data science and artificial intelligence. This is the paper we added last year. Electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, environmental science and engineering, ecology and evolution, geomatics engineering, geology and geophysics, instrumentation engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, metallurgical engineering, mining engineering, naval architecture and marine engineering, petroleum engineering, physics, production and industrial engineering, statistics, textile engineering and fiber science, engineering sciences, humanities and social sciences, and life sciences. If you notice this, there are 3 sectional papers which we call it as where you will have more opportunities to write diverse subjects, XE, XH and XL. Let me give you some more details about it. In XE, engineering science, you have 2 parts. In the part 1, engineering mathematics is a common. In part 2, you have 2 optional subsections you can select. For example, fluid mechanics or material science, or solid mechanics or thermodynamics, polymer science and engineering, food technology, atmospheric science and oceanic sciences. So you can take any of these 2 subjects. Whereas in humanities and social sciences, the part 1 will have a reasoning and comprehension that is compulsory. In addition, you can choose any one of them like economics, English, linguistics, philosophy, then psychology or sociology. Coming to life sciences, you can take chemistry as one part, and the other part from any of the 2 optional sections like biochemistry, botany, microbiology, zoology and food technology. In addition, we also have other sectional papers like architecture and planning, and where there is a common paper, and in addition you can choose any one of them like architecture or planning. In case of a geology and geophysics, there is a common, in addition any one of the optional sections like geology and geophysics. Geomatics engineering, there is a common and any one of the optional sections like surveying and mapping, image processing and analysis. Now this gives you about some combinations. For example, if you may be interested to take more than one paper. For example, I may be interested to take computer science engineering and as well as data science and artificial intelligence. So in such cases, based on the student's interest and the last couple of years, what is the preference based on the syllabus the students have undergone in their undergraduate level, we have mapped selected papers as a 2 combination paper, and you can choose if you are interested to write more than one paper. These are the combinations that are available. These we call it as 2 paper combinations. Now coming to a question pattern, if you try to see that, you know that all of you like this is a computer based test, and it will be conducted in selected cities, and more details are available in GATE website. The examination is for 3 hours. The number of papers available is for 30, and there are several 2 paper combinations are also available. And you will see that in general, each of this subject will have a general aptitude and candidate select subjects. For example, if I am writing civil engineering, there will be a general aptitude will be there, then civil engineering subject will be there. I'll give you some more details about the distribution of marks. Now there are 3 types of questions that are used in each of this paper. Multiple choice questions, where we call it as an MCQ, where there is only one correct answer, whereas multiple select questions where more than one correct answer, what you call it as an MSQ, and there is a numerical answer type questions where student will given some details or some data, and they have to use some equations or applications of some of the concepts in order to arrive some solution. In general, the questions will be tested for the candidate's abilities in recall, comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis. Looking at the marking scheme, as you know that all the questions in the GATE paper will be either 1 mark question or 2 marks question. For MCQ questions, if it is an 1 mark, generally the MCQ will have a negative answers. So 1/3 mark will be deducted for wrong answer. If it is a 2 mark MCQ, 2/3 mark will be deducted for wrong answer. Remember, there is no negative marking for wrong answers to MSQ or NAT type questions. And also, there is no partial marking in MSQ. You remember that MSQ will have more than one options correct, and out of, suppose for example, in a question there are 3 options are correct, but you only mark 2 or mark only 1, so you won't get marks. You have to mark all the 3 correct answers. Now look at the question patterns. So some of the distribution of marks in some papers, general aptitude will be 15 marks, then engineering mathematics will be 13 marks, and subject questions will be 72 marks. Totally it will be 100 marks. Then some paper where there is a mathematics is already part of the in their syllabus, or some paper there is no mathematics requirement. In such cases, the general aptitude will be 15 marks and subject questions will be 85 marks. So total will be 100 marks. Now let's look at it, some of the examples for MCQ. So for example, one example for multiple choice question, all of you may be aware of it. When did IIT Madras started? Which year? You know which year? Okay, so you can tell the right answer. 1959. Then if there is a multiple select questions, now you try to look at it. GATE examination, is it a national level examination, computer based test, 31 test paper, 3 hours examination? Now except C, all the 3 are correct. So you can mark and see that how you, this just give you an idea that how you can answer MCQ questions. Now numerical answer type, this is we call it as a NAT type questions, where answer must be entered through your virtual keyboard, and each of this computer where you are going to use at the computer examination center, so it will be virtual keyboard will be available, or keypad will be available. You have to enter the correct value using the virtual calculator. So what is the value of pi? So you can see start answering 3.14 like 6x, etc. You can start putting it. Maybe in the questions they will also tell you that at what value you should round off. Like maybe 2 decimal place, what decimal place it can be rounded off, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place. They will ask you, and accordingly you have to answer that question. Now let's try to look at it some details about what are the opportunities for GATE qualified candidates. This is very important for all of us to understand why someone has to write GATE examination. While studying itself, you secure your fellowship, and any students who qualify with a GATE, you will be getting a fellowship if he joins any of the national level institutes, 12,400 rupees per month. Generally it will be paid for 22 months. In addition, and if you are joining a direct PhD program, then you see that the fellowship will be 37,000 per month for first 2 years, and 42,000 for the next 2 years. And 3rd to 5th year means another 3 years you will get 42,000 rupees. So totally the PhD fellowship these days it is for 5 years. Now look at quickly the various opportunities that are existing. GATE score will be useful for teaching jobs, opportunities for sponsorship, because with your GATE score there are sometimes several opportunities will be available for many scholarships, fellowships, job opportunities, PSUs. In IIT Madras, we also admit GATE qualified candidates for MA programs. Many private sectors uses GATE score, research opportunities, and higher studies will be also considers GATE score. And you all know that many PSUs use GATE score because they look at it, the candidate who qualified in the GATE have an comprehension in terms of understanding various engineering subjects. Hence, many PSUs, public sector units across the country, they use the GATE score to offer their jobs in their respective units. This is about another PSUs. As I mentioned to you, many foreign universities also considers GATE score for admitting to various degree programs. This is some examples for many placements and recruitment where almost all industries will be prefer the candidate who qualified in the GATE. These are all some examples of it. So you will see that many industries and research organizations, they look for GATE qualified candidates to admitting to their jobs. Now I'm going to give some more details because you know that some colleges, you may not get enough resources in order to meet complete preparation for the GATE examination. For example, you know that a particular topic not been covered in the classrooms, then you would like to see how you can prepare those things. So you all know about a National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL. So we also looked into the various courses taught by the leading experts, faculty members from IITs. We mapped all the courses which are relevant for a particular syllabus of a subject, and these courses students can use them for understanding clear some of the concepts and basics. This will also have a high quality lecture content covering entire subjects GATE syllabus, and also some of the past GATE examination paper solution are also available with this NPTEL portal, GATE NPTEL portal. Then syllabus for each subject is to divide into various topics and subtopics. You can learn them depending on your interest and time, and you can also interact with the NPTEL team we have, where PMRF fellowships, sometimes fellowship holders or students will be available in order to encourage you to if you have any doubt in any of the questions, you can interact with them and get it clarified that. So this gives some of the study material link where you look at it. You can click on this. It will take you to the various course NPTEL course videos, and it will mapped with the syllabus of the civil engineering paper, computer science engineering paper, electrical engineering paper, electronics and communication, mechanical engineering, and metallurgical engineering. Now there are some questions which in the past students asked. I am in third year BA, BCom, BSc, am I eligible to write GATE 2025? As I told you, as I mentioned to you earlier, any engineering, science graduates, arts graduates are eligible to write GATE examination who are in third year or higher years. Then currently studying in third year BE, but through parallel entry, or sometimes to diploma you joined for the second year and would like to write the GATE. Yes, you can write the GATE examination if you are in a third year or higher years. There is no age limit for writing GATE examination, and there is no restriction for number of times one can appear for the GATE examinations. For 2025 GATE related information are available in this following website. Now I'll quickly touch upon the important dates, and we open the GATE portal registration on 28th August, and now it is open up to 26th September 2024 without late fee. So please consider in registering this and taking this GATE examination. The important examination dates, please remember that in general the GATE examination will be conducted first and second week of February. This time, because of some examination already been scheduled, so we are conducting 1st and 2nd February, Saturday, Sunday, and the third week of February, that is on 15th and 16th February 2025. So for more information, you scan this QR code, so it will take you to the GATE 2025 website. So with this, I would like to thank you for your attention, for listening to this GATE 2025 awareness program. I will also show you a video which will give you some more details about GATE 2025 examination. One minute. I'm not sure about whether you are getting your voice. I'll just adjust it. Okay, I hope now you can. Can you all hear me?
GATE is here.
Hear the voice?
Are you ready to redefine the boundaries of your potential? At IIT Madras, we don't just follow the norms, we set them. Ranked the #1 institute in India for 8 consecutive years, our commitment to excellence is unwavering. With 18 diverse departments, our doors are wide open. Whether you are an engineer in the making or a future philosopher, your path to pioneering change starts here. Our alumni are at the forefront of innovation in every major corporation across the globe. They have made their mark. Now it's your turn. Join us, apply for GATE, and step into a world of opportunities where we guide you every step of the way. We also offer free video for select courses through the GATE NPTEL portal, ensuring you are prepared, empowered, and ahead of the curve. This is more than just an education. It's a journey to creating history. IIT Madras is where your future unfolds. If you're ready to be a part of something extraordinary, apply now. IIT Madras. Inspire, innovate, transform minds.
Thank you all. So I'll going to present about JAM examination. Welcome back. Now I am going to present the joint admission test for masters. This is basically to take a focus towards science graduates who are interested to join the various MSc programs across different IITs and NITs and other centrally funded institutions. If you try to see that when compared to GATE, JAM has started little later. The first JAM exam was conducted in 2004, and the objective of JAM examination is to provide admissions to postgraduate degree programs and to consolidate science as a career option for the students across the country. So these programs are open to all eligible students irrespective of their nationality. Even foreign students can also write JAM examination. So as you noticing, JAM examination being conducted to provide various postgraduate academic programs at IITs, taking up science as their career options, and more than 3,000 seats in various postgraduate programs across IITs are available. Again, there is no age restrictions. Similar to GATE, this examination is also computer-based test, and the number of papers here, it is not 30, it's 7 test papers at undergraduate level. Here also candidates can appear either one paper or two paper combination. And JAM 2025 examination will be conducted across India in more than 100 cities. Admission shall be given to all India rank in each test paper of JAM 2025 examination. As I mentioned to you earlier, JAM 2025 is open to all nationals, both Indians and foreigners, and for admission, foreign nationals are required to satisfy some rules and regulations of admitting institutes pertaining to the foreign students. GATE score is valid for 3 years, whereas JAM score is valid only for 1 year. So these are the admitting institutes. If you try to look at it, all IITs uses JAM score for admission to various masters in science programs. Here candidates can apply JAM 2025 only through JAM online application processing system, JO apps. From September 3rd, the portal is opened and it will open up to 11th October 2024. A candidate should submit only one application from even if the candidate wants to write to 2 papers. Okay, multiple applications submitted by a candidate are liable to rejection. Please, in case if you are writing 2 papers, you don't have to submit 2 times of the application. In the same application, you have an option to indicate which are the paper you would like to write. Candidates who have completed an undergraduate degree are currently studying in final year undergraduate programs are eligible to apply for JAM 2025 examination. Foreign nationals with Indian degree are eligible to apply subject to policy of the admitting institutes. Again, there is no age limit for writing JAM examination. Now let's quickly look at it. These are all the test papers that are available. For example, in the forenoon, you have chemistry, geology, and mathematics. In the afternoon, biotechnology, economics, mathematical, statistics, and physics. So if you want to write 2 paper combination, somebody can write chemistry or economics, geology, biotechnology. So these are all some options that are available to you to write 2 paper combination. Again, to reiterate, the JAM examination will be conducted for 7 test papers. It is a computer-based test, and questions in the random sequence will appear on the computer screen. The duration of the examination is for 3 hours. So here there are 3 sections will be there. Section A, Section B, Section C, and Section A contains 30 multiple choice questions. Each MCQ has 4 choices, out of which only 1 choice is correct answer. Whereas Section B contains a total of 10 multiple select questions, MSQ. MSQ may have one or more correct answers out of the 4 given choices. Section C contains a total 20 numerical answer type or NAT type questions. In all sections, questions not attempted will result in 0 marks. So you don't have to worry about it. There is no negative marks if you have not attended the question. In section A, MCQ, wrong answer will be result in negative marks. For each wrong answer, one mark question, 1/3 will be deducted as a negative from the 1 mark question, and 2/3 marks will be deducted for 2 marks questions. In section B, there is no negative marks, and even for section C, there is no negative marks. For each test paper, an All India rank AIR will be assigned to a candidates based on their score or performance. For each test paper, All India merit list will be prepared based on AIR, and the number of candidates included in the All India merit list will be depend on the total number of seats available in each category: general, OBC, NCL, EWS, SC, ST and PWD in a given subject. These candidates, henceforth we called as qualified candidates, are eligible to apply for admission to any of the corresponding academic programs across IITs. JAM 2025 scorecard indicating AIR All India rank and the mark obtained by the candidate will also be available, and it can be downloaded from the JAM website. Similar to GATE, you can also notice that JAM study material also available. So for example, the subjects like biotechnology, chemistry, geology, mathematics, physics. So you can go to NPTEL course material, and these lectures have been mapped with the syllabus of these subjects. Remember the important dates again. The application opened on 3rd September 2024 and it will be available till 11th October 2024, and more details are available JAM 2025 website. And as I mentioned to you, this year the JAM 2025 examination will be conducted by IIT Delhi. The last year JAM 2024 was conducted by IIT Madras. For more details, you can scan this QR code. Just to take your attention again, the JAM examination date, it is on 2nd February 2025. It is one-day examination, morning session and afternoon for some papers, as I told you. So only 3 hours examination, and either you can take the papers in the morning session or an afternoon session depending on your interest. The announcement of the results will happen on 19th March 2025. It's on Wednesday. So this is about the JAM examination, and I encourage all science graduates who will be pursuing their career options in the science. Please visit the JAM website and see that whether it's meets your requirement and interest you to write the JAM examination. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to show you a video for the JAM examination.
Career prospects and work alongside renowned faculty in state-of-the-art research facilities. Apply now for JAM. Your journey to excellence begins here at IIT Madras. IIT Madras offers MSc in Mathematics, Physics and Chemistry. JAM covers diverse subjects through a state-of-the-art computer-based test designed to challenge and inspire the brightest minds. Welcome to the world of JAM. Experience the joy of learning maths and science at IIT Madras. Ranked the #1 institute in India for 8 consecutive years, IIT Madras is not just about education, it's about transforming you into a leader in your field. Immerse yourself in a world of endless opportunities. Engage in international projects, explore exciting career prospects, and work alongside renowned faculty in state-of-the-art research facilities. Apply now for JAM. Step into a world where your education is a bridge to global achievements. Let JAM be your gateway to excellence and achievement. IIT Madras is not just an institute, it's a beacon of knowledge and innovation. Are you ready to shape the future? IIT Madras welcomes you. IIT Madras. Inspire, innovate, transform minds.
Okay, so any details if you required about the GATE or JAM examination, please visit IIT Madras website, and we also have GATE www.gate.iitm.ac.in for GATE related information, or www.jam.iitm.ac.in for JAM related informations. In addition, you can also visit our institute website. As you all know that our institute is one of the best institute in the country, provides both technical and science educations, science and humanities educations in various fields. And campus is very beautiful. We have research opportunities, professional programs at MTech level, BTech programs, and we also started a new department in medical science and technology. Many fellowships that are available, internships are available. Please visit our website www.iitm.ac.in. So we all welcome you to our campus. Look for opportunities. All the best to you. Thank you very much. Close my back.